go good.
You don't have your hair all down all the time when we're doing shows.
Well, other YouTubers.
We're not YouTubers.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are.
No, we're not.
You are.
Alright.
Weirdo.
Don't start with the fidgeting of everything, okay? Leave it all alone. I'm serious. And you are the blooper. Stop. But we're gonna boom, boom, boom. We're gonna make this like a 6-minute video.
5-minute challenge. You're the one that's long-winded. You little poopy.
Your butt's long-winded.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, huh? Welcome to So Good.
I said that way.
Ah, shrimp. So, okay, hold on. I said that. I get that guy. We're closing our look at that.
Cheese that.
Parmesan cheese for the 3rd time.
Oh, okay. I'm ready.
So this is
That was pretty good, my dude. I just want you to come with me. Give me the tears to cry.
what else? She thinks she's so funny.
I am, says Georgie. Hi, Georgie. Gang gang.
This is such a pain in the ass for you every time. Okay, you're the one that wants to get this done and over with.
Okay, so
you
we
wasted
got a
most
butter
time.
pan. Wait, no,
Okay.
what are we doing?
Will you go check? We'll just go look at that, make sure everything's all
Right
secure.
now, I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be like all the time. Ain't got to cry.
What is wrong with you? Oh my God, it's kind of right. Wow, Abby.
No, that was kind of ugly smile. I'm sorry. I was being silly. Okay, go.
Oop.
Ew, it turned green.
We have our foil line baking sheet with all of our Christmases on it. Go knock yourself out.
Okay, then I'm waiting. It was in a weird spot.
You're in a weird spot.
You're in a weird spot in your life.
I'm gonna do some.
Well, there's a whole 24 to go.
We forgot the pepper. Oh, snap. People don't want to see us doing this for 15 minutes. What's your Merry Christmas? What's your Merry Christmas?
I dare you to lick this.
Oh, gimme, gimme, gimme. No.
Guess what?
I'm already eating on that.
You ate one without me?
No, that's I cooked them right. No, don't touch those. Good God. Oh my God.
Okay, now let's eat. Okay, I'll talk.
I'm still chewing. Oh. I love this.
These are warm and ready out of the oven. These are... Shut up.
They're not going to be warm enough for long.
These are out of the oven and ready for us to eat.
They're out of the oven. Yes, they are. That is correct. I can tell Abby's really excited about
I
that.
don't like cranberry.
Oh, shut up. Okay, but just 10 more.
No shit, Sherlock.
You know how much mayonnaise we're consuming?
A lot of mayonnaise.